ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka Three Olives Restaurant bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
ringkat lang bat kari India hi barok kawai ka Ram Krishna Mission ha ka khat artrik ukala lengkot arjar arphowe kala rakhe ye ka sngi kha jong Swami Vivekananda kabaya habru bat ka jing rakhe ye ka National Youth Day ha barok kawai kari India ha ka jing rakhe ka balalong hanong ba shalong u Justice HS thank you ulalong kum kongsan harangkat ka jingidon lang jong ubarikor ba paukhmat ka jilla uba Rafael Warjari ubalalong kum usumbot kongsan
classic concept of the divinity. I may not have that authority to say, but little of the knowledge that I have gathered from our people around, old people that I have talked to, our chief guest here also, he must be one of the resource person on this aspect. So nevertheless, I'll try to share in case I don't go in the direction that it should be. Please forgive me, but like I said a little moment earlier, whatever I know, whatever I have gathered the knowledge, I'll try to share with you. See, understanding of Khasi, our divine, we call it Ulay, Iblay, which essentially does not really mean a persona, does not really mean an entity. It is a composite. It is an entity. It is a composite entity of the entire creation, being the human being and all the creatures that supposedly nature has brought about.
Shillong has history, as we all know, and does not belong to anyone in fact. And it's a model of unity and diversity. And this institute, I must say, has an excellent job in bringing all the youth like me from all walks of life, from different strata of life, on a single platform where you can share ideas, learn from each other, learn from your teachers, learn from the teachings of Swami. And also it creates a sense of unity and you can say national integration. Now as we see as the world is hurtling towards very, very fast-paced development. Development also is not in technology, but developments and manifestations and the kinds of violence that we see and the kind of economic problems that we see, political, everything. A lot of factors play a role in that, ideological, historical, and all these conflicts have created a lot of, we can see, geopolitical complications.
Ram Krishna Mission Shillong is pleased to confer this order to Sri Sheikh Mujib